Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in Ford Explorer. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal and gather your tools: manifold gauge set, refrigerant can with hose, and a scale to measure charge. Locate the low-pressure service port near the accumulator and identify it by its smaller cap. Relieve any pressure carefully while wearing safety gear, and confirm the system is below ambient pressure before connecting gauges and starting the procedure. Start by running the engine with AC set to max and connect a manifold gauge to the low side port only for diagnosis. Note the low side pressure reading and compare it to expected range for ambient temperature to confirm low charge. Visually inspect the condenser and hoses for oil streaks and use a leak detector for pinpointing leaks. If a major leak or compressor failure exists, repair the issue before recharging the system. With leaks repaired, evacuate the AC system using a vacuum pump until you reach a deep vacuum and hold it for at least 30 minutes. Release the vacuum and charge using the correct refrigerant type and the specified weight, adding refrigerant from the can while the engine and AC run. Monitor low side pressure and listen for compressor cycling to avoid overcharging. Once charged, replace caps, check cabin cooling, and verify there are no new leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.